Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to know about your account status on Snapchat, which means if you want to know about that you have not violated any community guidelines on Snapchat, and whether your account is okay and you are able to use Snapchat freely, then you can simply check for your account status on Snapchat. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and after you have to scroll it down and you have to find transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the App Store here. In here you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Snapchat app, and if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Snapchat app. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat app, and here you have to click on that profile section, and you have to click on that settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of account status here. So here you can simply find your account status. So here is written no violation found. Thank you for following our community guidelines. We want Snapchat to be a safe, which means that if you follow community guidelines of Snapchat, then your account will not be blocked. So in this way you can simply use Snapchat smoothly. So hope you have liked